Hi guys, it's Chris at CG Remaps again. We've got a DPF off a Ford Galaxy 2-litre diesel. This is a taxi driver. Yeah, really badly blocked. It's blocked that much that the back pressure on the turbo has made the pipe blow. I'll show you. Yeah, looking at it. Yeah, see all the oil that's come off the turbo pipe. If you look up there, if you just see there, look, big massive split on the turbo pipe. That would just been down to the back pressure of the blockage on the DPF. He's lucky it went there, really. It's probably saved his turbo, that has, but all this oil around here, that's all come from the turbo, that has. So I'll just show you the extent of the blockage. Go on then, Jake, let's see if we've got any flow. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Just blowing straight back out, look. Now we've set that, obviously here's just an air compressor. Got a bit of backward flow, look. That's set at 10 bar, that compressor is. So yeah, another DPF we're having to sort out, guys. If you have any issues, just give us a shout.